Alright, so this here is your 20 kW generator. It's real basic. All you have is an engine and then a stator and rotor where all your electricity gets produced. Much like your vehicle's engine, you do have an air box and air filter, oil filter, dipstick, and right here is your oil fill. Now the only type of oil it can take is full synthetic 5W30. So it doesn't have to be Kohler brand, but it does have to be full synthetic. This here is your RDC 2.5 controller. Your three main buttons are off, auto, and run. These arrows here are your navigation arrows. They'll bring you to different menus. For example, your overview. Now to enter that menu, just hit your select button. And now we can navigate that menu and make changes if we wanted to. To get out of that menu, you'll go all the way down to return and hit your select button. Now if there is anything wrong with the unit, this screen here will give you some kind of fault. Simply jot it down, give Palco a call, let us know what it says, so that way we can get the right parts and get you fixed up in one shot. If for any reason you hit the off button, or if you hit the run button, before walking away you do have to hit auto, so that way it's ready to automatically start for your next power outage. Right up here is your mainline breaker. If you ever happen to find that trip, give us a call, give your electricians a call, we'll be able to troubleshoot that for you. That should be it.
Okay.
Alright, so here's your automatic transfer switch. As the name entails, everything is fully automatic. The way this switch works is you have power from your power company coming into those two top lines, through your breaker, through your bus bars, through your contactor, into the two back lugs, which then supply power to your household. If you lose power on either one of these wires from the power company, or if it becomes 90% of 240 volts, they'll sense all that as a power outage. All the sensing takes place with these little white wires. These white wires will go up to the circuit board. That board will then relay all the information to your generator, which is the brains of the entire operation. From the time that you lose power from the power company to the time that you get power from the generator is roughly 10 to 15 seconds. Once power is restored, the unit will keep itself on generator power for 2 minutes to monitor utility voltage, and if everything stays good for 2 minutes straight, it'll then re-transfer back to utility power. Depending on oil temp, after the transfer, it'll either shut off right away or take a 5-minute cool down.
Okay.
Alright, so right now we're going to simulate a power outage. We're going to kill the main, and then that's going to kill sensing to the sensing wires down here. Go ahead and turn this back on. So even though we turned that breaker back on, we are still on generator power for 2 more minutes. In 2 minutes time, you're going to hear this switch back over, and again, depending on oil temp, the unit will shut off right away or take a 5-minute cool down.
Okay. Probably switching back over. So that runs for like 2 minutes-ish?
Yeah. There we are. Yep, and then the unit did shut off right away.
Okay, so generator's off, so, okay.